Hello, welcome back to Nomad channel today. I have a food from Volta region. As you can see, I always like to showcase food from my hometown. It's lunchtime today. I'm having some cold, so I prepared this food just to show you guys how our food from Volta region look like. This is 𝙁𝙤𝙬. This is 𝙁𝙤𝙬. This is how it look like. This is how the 𝙁𝙤𝙬 look like. Yeah, so it's lunchtime right now, so I'm just going to eat this food. Yeah. While you enjoying the food, please, if you can do me a little favor, like the video and also comment what you think about this food. Alright, so let's dive in. Let me put this one here. So what I'm going to do is, you normally like cut it, then normally what I do is I scoop a bit of chili, then I eat it. And here's my fish. This is a fish from Volta region. It's a smoked fish, dry smoked fish. So it's very organic. I mean, there's no oil, there's nothing. So this is just a raw fish and chilies. This is a raw chili mixed with tomato, onions, I'm going to try a big bite to see if this is possible. Always cook it with the chili, not with the fish. Then I'll go for the fish. That's very delicious. Have you been to Ghana? Were you able to try 𝙁𝙤𝙬? So 𝙁𝙤𝙬 is made of cassava dough and corn mix. So you can see how smooth the 𝙁𝙤𝙬 look like. It's different from banku. So you can see how smooth it look. Can you see? This is not fufu. This is not fufu. This is 𝙁𝙤𝙬 from Volta region. Today I'm trying to enjoy my food, so I don't want to rush it. Do you like dry fish? I always find this fish very, very nutritious. I believe this is omega-3 in this fish.